Are we standing at the beginning of a brand new altcoin season? In this video, we'll take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, one of the most powerful indicators that long-term investors use to understand where the capital in the crypto market is flowing. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mindagas, and here we analyze macro charts, RSI, trend lines, and other key indicators to spot long-term trends in the crypto market. If you're serious about crypto investing and don't want to miss important signals, make sure to subscribe and join our community. Before we dive into the analysis, let's quickly explain what Bitcoin dominance actually is. Bitcoin dominance stands for Bitcoin dominance, which shows the percentage of the total crypto market cap that belongs to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dominance goes up, it means investors are moving capital into Bitcoin, making it stronger compared to altcoins. If Bitcoin dominance goes down, it means money is flowing into altcoins, often triggering what we call an altcoin season. Now, let's check the historical data using the MACD indicator on the Bitcoin dominance monthly chart. In early 2017, MACD turned down, and that's when one of the biggest altcoin seasons in history began. In August 2018, MACD flipped upward, Bitcoin regained dominance, while altcoins collapsed. In May 2021, MACD dropped again. Another strong altcoin rally followed. In mid-2022, MACD turned upward, and Bitcoin once again became the safer bet. And now, in September 2025, the MACD is once again crossing downward. This could be an early signal that another altcoin season is on the horizon. Of course, we don't yet have a fully confirmed signal, but history shows a clear pattern. Every time Bitcoin dominance MACD shifts downward, altcoins tend to outperform Bitcoin. This doesn't mean Bitcoin is weak. It remains the strongest asset in crypto, but it usually means that, for a period of time, altcoins can deliver higher returns as capital rotates. So, could we be at the start of the next altcoin season? This is a key chart to watch closely in the coming months. If you found this analysis valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with other crypto investors, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth macro insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.